top stories. Chakan Gaan-ngai celebrated widely in the state. CC High Secondary School to boycott Republic Day. Manipur Police continue mass search operations at different places ahead of Republic Day. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. The state-level Gaan-ngai festival is celebrated at Chingmairong, Kabuikhul today. Mahut Minister Syam Kumar has attended the celebration as the chief guest. It was organized by the state-level Gaan-ngai Organizing Committee, where the Vice Chairperson of Disaster Management Authority, Manipur Adim Panmai, President of the Organizing Committee, Paudongai Kamsan, and President of Neroka FCTH, Arun Kumar, attended as main guest. Various traditional rituals and cultural dances were the main highlights of the celebration, wherein participated by a large number of people from Kabui community. Addressing the gathering, Minister Syam Kumar said, if one fails to know its own culture and tradition, then he or she will never understand the other religions and their culture. Celebrating the harvesting festival of Gaan-ngai once in a year is clearly an indication that the community is preserving its tradition, he added. He also wished the people for love and brotherhood amongst one another on the occasion of Gaan-ngai.
Zati imna thamiba culture myam sing asi ikai khumdaraba zati de kalum sing chana pathap sing ikai khumdaraba adugadi mi adu mama ning dharma adu phung pharabani aduna ai appeal tawri masagi dharma sa khangdraba atobu nusiba ngamo masagi culture do mapung khana khangdraba atobi dharma sa khangmangamo masagi dharma sa khangaba atobi dharma sa khangmangam Maitai na Maitai dharma sa khangaba Kabui dharma sa khangmangam Kabui na Kabui masa dharma khangaba Maitai dharma khangam masazo miamantana khangdragadi madu culture do yupangamoy aduna appeal tawi.
President of the Organizing Committee, Paudongai Kamsan, said the post-harvest festival of Gaan-ngai is a very important sacred festival in which people of the communities pray for a year of happiness, prosperity and abundance.
aduna Gaan-ngai sigi manungda lai mayamam su yawi haibi wari am lai aduna ne makoida khoi khurum jaraga thongni jaraga pangthokpani maside pure akhoi ge ritual festival ne sidi dharma ga sagonaraga pangthokpa kumai ne.
The biggest harvesting festival of the Jalyangrong community, Gaan-ngai, is also celebrated in Kakulong, Pauna Bazar. It is widely celebrated in many places inhabited by Jalyangrong community outside the state as well. In connection with Chakan Gaan-ngai celebration, MLA of Khurai constituency, Leisang Them Susindro has inaugurated a newly constructed gate at Sawombung Kabui Kunau today. Speaking on the occasion, the MLA has said that Sawombung Kabui Kunau is a small village inhabited by very few Kabui community and their dreams of having a gate has been fulfilled today. He also greeted the public for a better and prosperous society on the occasion of Gaan-ngai.
We kuno mayamna saidem haire khangnaba asdei akoina mamang kaya dagi haide sahi kya de akoina mangakpa mangang kunasi akoigi mi masing yamna ta daba akoigi kendra manung kurai kendra manung da muslim na maite bangal kobui amasung maite kano sing maite sing na kundaba kendro ba duna maram orakanda sigi lekai sigi gate amatang di akoina miyam gi dong takat pangamba na wakal je dum asa moina sum leira kone do andak layo phobadagi miyam da gate assistant jabani aduna somung ko bui kulgi leire be chinau jing amasum Manipur leire ba ko bui chinau jing da Gaan-ngai gi thorma siga na festival siga loina na kone khudola sitam jani.
CC Higher Secondary School Students Union today announced to boycott the upcoming Republic Day celebrations on 26th of this month. Speaking to media persons at the premises of the school, Games and Sports Secretary of the Students' Union of the school, Chakan Gaan-ngai, said different students' organizations, CSOs and the masses are continuously agitating against the CA Bill 2016, which is totally against the wishes of the people of the whole Northeast region. He further said, it is very unfortunate that the National General Secretary of BJP has expressed that there is a possibility of passing the controversial bill in the upcoming Rajya Sabha session, which is clearly an act of going against the sentiments of the people residing in the region. And it is a telltale sign that the mainland Indians don't bother for the Northeast people. He appealed the public to support the boycott of the Republic Day celebration and an act of protest against the CA bill.
Masi mayokta koi haju photo protest ong lai masi ki bills ne maram or kan da koi gi student gi dana academic ki performance ta phajana perform to banga makta wa siuma pen ba class ne maram or kan da koi gi CC higher secondary school ki mai kai da gi su 26 January tang contract to pangthok da wasi masi jo koi gi CC da gi su masi koi boycott taw jare ma ki atop thangnari ba school sing johnson na ju tawre koi gi bill asi athung matam da withdraw taw biu masina akoi gi student community amadi Northeast की community बिदा यामना कायबा पीरे मसीना अखोइबो नुंगदांग पोहले मरा असिदा अखोइगी बीजेपी की जनरल सेक्रेटरी ना अखोइगी राज्य सभा की हंदकी बिल असि सिदा पास तौरबा याय हाइना हाइरपसि याम लाइब एक्टिविटी मसी अखोइगी स्टूडेंट सिंगी अखोइगी Northeast की मियाम की सेंटिमेंट खंगदबा दो मसी
On the other hand, Ghari Youth Club along with Ghari Apunba Maira Paibi in collaboration with MSU, DESAM, MSF, KSA, SUK and AMS also staged a sit-in protest at Ghari Awanglekai today against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. The protest was held at different parts of the state. Local residents of Kaisampat also protested at the Kaisampat Lairambi Community Hall. Women vendors also held a sit-in protest in Kaisamthong Bazaar against the bill. On the other hand, ICAL and 6 different students' organizations have also protested against the bill near Uripok Chairap Court today. Talking to media persons, General Secretary of ICAL Luwang Laima said that the CA bill is against the people, so the ruling government must withdraw the bill at the earliest. Lamphel, Sanakaitel, Women Folk and JCILPS jointly staged a sit-in protest demanding immediate withdrawal of CAB at Lamphel, Sanakaitel today. The sit-in protest was participated by people from various communities of the society. Secretary of Lamphel, Sanakaitel Nupi Kanglup, who was attended in the protest, said the government must make a decision against the bill as it is a big challenge to the indigenous population of Northeast.
Lok Sabha pass taukraba citizenship amendment bill gi matang se khoi machi khoi handopio khoi yamangam jaroi haidana khoi Lamphel Sanakaitel gi oiba khoi jati punamak tariba mafam ni masida khoi na phamjari wakat mi phamje masi yaningdi handopio oina khoi phamjabani phamjari ba wakat bi phamase ngasi Manipur da hoji janai ba da citizenship amendment bill 2016 la se chadaba pamde haina khoi na wakat bi phamase phamjabane ba.
On the other hand, the Secular Democratic Front has also condemned the recently passed CA Bill 2016. Speaking to media persons at the office of the Trinamool Congress at Haukipweng, President and spokesperson of NCP Soram Iboyaima said that the Chief Minister of the state must show his words into action. He further said the party is always there in times of any issue of the state. He further said it will be a big challenge to the people of the Northeast region, and at such instances, the Chief Minister must call for an assembly session and take a stand against the bill.
Hanadi school lerumdabra hujikta mu school jom toroga go to school haribje go to kitchen ne karum karmamatam de chat ka dei je hangingai ni adu leba se de lei bisni masi go to kitchen da awa bagna thalaba leba amu rebje sarkar baibiram da baibi bising na khambiram dubdi ai adu masi ngasi bak prajamiyam nadi masi awa bade leire ngasi ngasi gi hujik oiriba chakungi awa boi samasya je ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯦꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯒꯣ ꯇꯨ ꯀꯤꯆꯟ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯆꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯌꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯁ ꯈꯔ ꯄꯤꯕꯗꯨꯅꯗꯤ ꯒꯣ ꯇꯨ ꯀꯤꯆꯟꯗ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯁ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯊꯣꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯛ samna ada napsagi port national security food aid ki makada bibiri ba lupa om da piba port se quantity su na pi da ba mafam khara da na phangi na traga phangde hai ba adagi phangaga su amu mamal hengat na piba sang nai da ba sarkar ki khuchil se masi ki matang da di ai na haijening ba je manipur da napsagi port se la pukan da masi ki implementation se mapung pha na smoothly sat na bi da makda ai na Food Commission, State Food Commission, full-fledged Food Commission, link
Manipur Police Department, as a part of the ongoing security measures, conducted mass search operations in different parts of the state ahead of Republic Day celebrations this morning. In Imphal East District, under the supervision of SPK Meghachandra, a combined team of Imphal East Commando, Women Police, Narcotics Cell, Imphal East Porompat Police and Reserve Line led by additional SPM Kumarjit conducted a mass search drive in Khetri Awanglekai under the jurisdiction of Porompat Police Station. Altogether, 741 persons were verified during this search drive, which started from 5:05 to 7:10 this morning. On the other hand, Porompat Police picked up 9 men and 3 women on the ground of narcotic possessions and failing to produce ID proof. Additional SP of Imphal East, M. Kumarjit, has said that the search operation is conducted under the supervision of SPK Meghachandra to avoid unwanted incidents.
Khetri Awanglekai da akoi kasu coordinator search tawi search tawa mato koi lebdana chatharakpa district police Imphal East ki section thorang ne koi district ta karigumba nungai taba pamdaba thodok thoktana bagi damakta akoi gi SP sar Meghachandra gi miyeng makha da koi na tawune adu ngasi gi tawbasida Khetri Awanglekai gi प्रजासिंग दा कोइना लाउड स्पीकर सिजनदना मखोइचे कोइना समाइसमाइन तौरे कासोगी दमक्ता हाइदना पाउ पिरब मतुदा मखोइना यामना कोइदा पुलिस ता हाइबा तारे यामना कोऑपरेशन पिबिरा कांदा कोइना तौगे मसिगी मनुंगदा अखोइगी नुपी अहुम निपा मापन अखोइना करिगुम सिंगना खरा लेबिदगी अखोइना पिकअप तौगे अदुगा अतोप लेकाइदगी लागा लेरम सिंग फावबा अखोइना थादे मसी फारगा कोइना पुलिस ता कोइ प्रियस सिनरा कांदा मखोइ वेरीफाई तहलनी अदुगा बेल आउट कुंबा अदुगा सिंगनबा याबा पोसै सो कोइना याम कोना थीबनी मसी गुंबसे सिगी जगह सिगी ओइनदी लाइबुक फबा हाइगद्रा याउदे कोइ मखा ताना सिगुंबा.
Meanwhile, Imphal West Commando of Bazaar Unit conducted mass search operations under the supervision of additional SP Operation T.H. Krishna Tombi. The drive started from Uripok Machin Hindu Hotel till Kasturi Bridge this morning. Altogether, 527 were searched, out of which 34 persons without proper ID proof were picked up by the police for further verification. Well, it's time now for a short break.
Hello Kids Clubhouse Play School. Play smart, grow smart. Admissions open for 2019 sessions for playgroup, nursery, LKG, UKG at affordable fee structure. It follows playway and Montessori teaching by well-trained teachers with the help of audio-visual medium and regular activities to enhance creativity. It provides midday meal and transportation facilities. For more detail, please contact Hello Kids Clubhouse 700-5172-365 or 9612719050.
Matalgi sasenaba products singdagi Jackson Biu. Kanglaipak Spices Industry na puthokpa Majalgi atopa manaba manufacturing unit amatalajade. KSI na puthokpa Majalgi asengba products sing asibu khangnabagidama packaging da KSI logo Kanglaipak Spices Industry yaubara haina check tobiu. Amasung packaging da ISO 9001-2008 or ISO 9001 or 2015 asi yaubara haina check tobiu. Lalamung Makong Takhela Mamlekai Rims Road Factory Thangweban Senam Lekai haina thari basin nataba atopa amata machal gi asengba product natte sasinaba amasung malhanba singdagi cheksinbiu hena kupa marol khangnaba lengsinbirau machal Kanglai Park Spices Industry Lalambung Makhong Takhelamam Lekai Rims Road Factory Thangmiban Sinam Lekai near Lamfelam Park natraga logon tobiu www.machalspices.com or Facebook/machalspices natraga email tobirau info@machalspices.com.
Welcome to Aryan Furniture House. Manipur da sajaba quality maintain tauraba makhal kayagi furniture items sing suna fanghanjari. Adongi apamba makhal gi furniture items sing khanbiyu lengsin birau Aryan Furniture House Hata Minuthong.
Private Sports Academy Guwahati gi I-League selection da mai paklaba sanarosingna admission tawbiba yaragani. Admission tawbagi aroiba matam lakliba January gi tangkun. Managing Director da contact tobiyu. Contact number 8787-842-589. Private Sports Academy, Guwahati.
Mahindra Tractor Showroom now monsoon season lakada monsoon offer pijiri India da saba Annapurna domestic mini rice mill amadi grinder akaknaba matam kharagi oina company na offer price ta miyamda phanganjari ho sangbai ma takpada electric prepaid ta suknataki lupa ni makhai mai chai besan morok yangang marumarang hawai makhal sul takpa yaraba grinder su phangbiragani rice mill da phau pudra seng takpagi awab leitraba yumgi sangoi kachin amada hillaga isana phau takchaba yaraba cheng wai manghandraba cheng khainadraba Annapurna domestic rice milling akupa marol gidamak lingsin birau Mahindra Tractor Showroom Malom Bazaar pijariba offer price ki kudong saba simyamna lawihau akaknaba matam khara khaktan.
Welcome back after the break. A major fire has destroyed a house at All Mandu village in Tausem subdivision of Tamenglong district around 12:30 p.m. today. The house belongs to one Pau Sui Tung. The house was reportedly caught by the fire when no one was inside the house. However, the villagers doused the flame in time and prevented the house from causing major damage. It has been reported that property worth ₹1 lakh were destroyed in the fire. Village Chief Hangrang has said that the villagers found it hard to put out the fire as no fire service office in anywhere near the village and urged the authority concerned to build a fire service office in the village. He further said a major fire caused extensive damage to a house at New Mandu village some time back and added that a fire service office should be opened at Tausem subdivision to address the grievances of the public. Luching Purel Chingsubam Akaba Ningsing Lop LUCANIL and our Suicide Trust jointly organized the 12th death anniversary commemoration of People's Leader Chingsubam Akaba at Luching Purel Chingsubam Akaba Memorial Complex, Wakhale Maching today. Former Minister R.B. Minthing, Chairman of our Suicide Trust, Dr. Ngahorsai Luithui, Vice Chairman, Thangkui Jemek Sentak Purel of Kimax Saikom Nodia Mangang, President of United Manipur Muslim Women Development Organization, Anwari Nurjahan, President of United Naga Council as Khojon, President of CCSK Jitendra Ningomba and various leaders of different organizations attended the function. Addressing the function as a chief guest, General Secretary of BJP Manipur State Thokchom Satyabrata said, rather than mere remembering our leader Oza Akaba, that commemoration function will be much more meaningful if we follow on the course of his action and program. He further appealed to unite the hill and valley against the CAB.
Ozai thamoi da si pambirami wakhan da si leibirami adugi mai khallama wakhan singdana ching tangmi mari phanambani mai khang makalaba thonadana ngasi ma school da angang sing like tambada maitai lon maitai mayik yauri basi mai mapanding na habda haiman no tholo adugumba ojadan torba thobok singdo kari damuta khoin khudu indribana tuminna sum ningsing thonandum sum pangtho leigadra sine yo hangsi madu leibham thote akhoi punna khangmina ma thautai aduga pambina lambi da khoi chatla kanda madu tham oino thoga miyamang da thamakanda maduna khoi asengba mabu ikai khumna jaba mai matung injabigi Masama na yamu ina khoi de nuai jaba amdi jang phokche bu pokani hai wa pham de ne thamjani wa.
King of Manipur Leisemba Sana Jauba said, it is most needed to unite all. Only Manipur will not stand against the CAB, so all the political parties, CM MPs will have to stand jointly, he added.
Aduna masigi laifamsi aduma akaknaba lining lai solam gamari lenade masidi apun bagi wakal laiba nungsiba laiba ngakpiba haiba laiba aduga kauthokpa haiba laiba amatu bagi wakal sagatpa adumba maya maduna semagas oiba aduma lining do maduda laiba sengnaba laifamni haibasi ai amuka soi nauna thamjani.
As a part of the function, Luching Purel Chingsubam Akaba Ningsing Mana 2019 was also presented to Namoism Tomba and Mathangkui Jimek. It may be mentioned that people's leader Chingsubam Akaba was a courageous leader who led the countrymen of hills and valley in various issues. He mainly took an important role in the issue of language, script, culture and tradition. MPCC has informed the party led by President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee T.N. Haukip condoled the demise of former editor of daily paper Iho and also a former president of Amju, late A.K. Sanaton. The press release also stated that late A.K. Sanaton was a renowned journalist who worked for the cause of the state. The state has lost a leader with his demise and MPCC is with the grievance of the departed family. Local residents of Singzamay Mayang Bamlaikai staged a sit-in protest against the gun attack by some unknown miscreants at the residence of orthopedic Dr. N. Nongthon at Singzamay Mayang Bamlaikai on the night of 17th of this month. The protesters condemn the misuse of firearms in residential areas and appeal not to repeat it again.
Kung nalayriba mayang ligay sida asuguma thambo doon ganinde maramdi ngana layriba neighbor singida aki tungpa heart laina na ba mayam amasu layri asugum dagi kudung jiban nangada ba kudum tiligi matung ta baji to hodum dagi asugum kan pamji pamjabani.
It may be mentioned that some unidentified armed miscreants also fired a round of bullets at Sacred Heart School on the evening of the same day in Wangkai Ayangpali. Now the sports news. In sports, in the ongoing 8th state-level village-wise football tournament, Hararo Trophy held in YMC ground at Hararo, YDO Kundrakpam and KAKAFC played draw with 2-2 each in a match played this morning. In another match, EUSC, Tello and Mangal FC also played draw 2-goal each from both sides. Let's take a short break once again.
Arun Enterprises presents the 5th Amphimpa Cup 2019 9A-side football tournament only for film fraternity. Manipuri film da changes songjariba singtagi oiba football tournament lakliba January gi tang 10 dagi hauraga January gi tang 10 ga tare thawba Porompat near TV Tower manakta laiba Nesu ground da pangthok jaragani.
Yes to life, no to drugs. Fatta bachinjak singdagi lapthok lasi haila paujel puriba football tournament amani. Ireibak iram damsita lebiribak faipur mangna tournament asibu miyeng taba soidena lembiro.
ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯌꯥꯄꯣꯇꯩ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯣ?
ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯏꯃꯥ.
ꯑꯗꯨꯏꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯏꯟꯖꯥꯡꯗꯣ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯟꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯗꯅ.
ꯕꯦꯁꯣꯟꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯇꯣꯠꯄ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯖꯥꯡꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯊꯥꯎ ꯉꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯕꯅꯦ. ꯑꯗꯨ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯗꯨꯀꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯁꯣꯟꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯆꯟꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯨꯔꯒꯦꯔꯥ?
ꯍꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯔꯨꯔꯒꯦ. ꯏꯕꯨꯡꯉꯣ ꯕꯦꯁꯣꯟ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯃꯆꯜ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯗꯄꯤꯌꯨ.
ꯅꯦ ꯀꯪꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁ ꯏꯟꯗꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯔꯣꯅꯦ. ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ, ꯄꯣꯠꯌꯥꯟꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ, ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯁꯨ ꯁꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ. ꯑꯗꯨꯏꯅꯦ KSIꯅ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯆꯍꯤ 53ꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯠꯅꯤ. ꯖꯤꯟꯖꯔ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯔ, ꯆꯤꯂꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯔ, ꯇꯔꯃꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯔ, ꯁꯤꯅꯥꯃꯣꯟ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯔ, ꯃꯤꯊꯤ ꯖꯤꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯍꯩꯔꯤꯕꯣꯞ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯁꯥ ꯃꯆꯜ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯆꯜ ꯑꯄꯧꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯗꯕ ꯄꯦꯀꯦꯖꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯝꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯏꯍꯥꯟ ꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁ ꯏꯟꯗꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯗ ISO 9001:2008 ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ISO 9001:2015 ꯐꯪꯕꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯃꯥꯔꯛꯁꯨ ꯔꯦꯖꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ KSIꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯇꯃꯛ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
ꯁꯤꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯐꯔꯦꯅ ꯕꯣꯅꯤꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯏꯅꯤ.
ꯏꯃꯥ KSIꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯕꯅꯦ.
Manipur da ihan hanba oina healthcare products singi fangfam Diagnomet Instruments Healthcare System. Registered Office Khoyathong Nagamapal Road Imphal 795001. Branch Office Lalambung Makhong Rims Road near Syndicate Bank Imphal 795001. Complete range star surgical instruments, hospital equipments, OT lights and tables, auto claps, rehabilitation aids, hospital consumables, healthcare products, diagnostic reagents, hearing aids, blood glucometer, digital BP monitor, air mattress, amadi nebulizer na chingba singi oina New Year gi 20 to 25% discount pizari with terms and conditions apply. Hena kupamarol gidama contact tobirau 038520569092 amadi 917085776993. Ekhoigi email diagnoinst@gmail.com. Ngasimak lengsin birau Diagnomet Instruments Healthcare System.
Loom Lang started with the idea of creating a one-stop destinations for all the fashion-forward and stylish shabby people and to pique the curiosity of the rest. With the customer at heart, we deals with shoes, bags and all types of cut and show products for women. We allow and provide customized products, especially wedding and evening gowns. Email loomlang@gmail.com, mobile 9958149894, 7085205085, 7085270490.
Welcome back. The Ministry of Defense MOD yesterday termed the Hindu's detailed story on steep price escalation in the deal of 36 Rafale fighter jets as factually inaccurate. It did not adduce any new arguments as all issues have been answered in detail by the government at various fora and by Defense Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in Parliament. It said in a statement, the MOD spokesperson said that the cost of the India-specific enhancements ISE was on a fixed basis in the 2007 bid, which was negotiated down in the 2016 deal. However, to compare the cost of the medium multi-role combat aircraft MMRCA contract, which never materialized, with the cost of the 36 aircraft procured in 2016 is fallacious. The author, while indicating the price of ISE as £1.4 billion in 2007, has failed to include the inbuilt escalation factor that would have worked between 2007 and 2015. At least 24 top national leaders are expected to participate in the Trinamool Congress hosted rally at Kolkata's Brigade Parade Ground today. It's part of West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's efforts to bring the anti-BJP parties together on one platform. Several leaders, including INC President Rahul Gandhi, Janata Dal as leader HD Devigara and Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav have extended their support to Mamata Banerjee. Family members of at least 5 of the 15 people trapped inside a coal mine in Meghalaya failed to identify the decomposed body of a victim yesterday from the video recording underwater. Navy divers detected the body using an unmanned remotely operated vehicle ROV at a depth of around 160 feet inside the main shaft on Wednesday. Though the ROV had pulled the body to the halfway, doctors at the site advised not to pull it further, fearing disintegration of the body parts before it could be identified, they said. Of the 5 families, 3 were from the Lumthari village near the mine in East Jaintia Hills district, while the 2 others are from Assam's Chirang district. The family members of other trapped miners hailing from West Garo Hills district are yet to arrive at the site, and the district authorities are waiting for them in case they could identify the body. Let's have today's top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Election Commission may announce Lok Sabha election schedule in March, say sources. Stand against CAB gathers team. JCILPS adopts 4 resolutions. Protests lined up on January 20. Public discourse recommends special house session. The People's Chronicle. Meet opposes CAB. Resolves to intensify steer. Chief Minister says role of citizens crucial in saving state. Northeast Democratic Alliance urges Rasna to sleep CAB plan. CAB will uproot Northeast indigents, says Mania. Imphal Free Press. Student bodies set to launch mass sit-in protests against CAB. BJP confident of passing citizenship bill in Rajya Sabha. The Morning Bell. CM Biren launches School Fagadhansi Mission. 1 government school each in 60 assembly constituency to be developed as model schools. Poster campaign against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 kicks off. Citizenship Bill will smother indigenous people in Northeast, says student leaders. Women get total hip replacement surgery at Seizure Hospitals and Research Institute. Defense Minister inaugurates Difu Bridge in Arunachal.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Chakan Gaan-ngai celebrated widely in the state. CC High Secondary School to boycott Republic Day. And Manipur Police continue mass search operations at different places ahead of Republic Day. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.